Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your iPhone without passcode or without computer, any iPhone model or iPad model. So if you have iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8, X, 11, 12, 13 or 14 or any iPad model, you want to factory reset your iPad or iPhone but you don't have the passcode or also you don't have PC. So let me show you how you can do that. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So this method works on all iOS devices. Please guys subscribe to the channel. So to reset your iPhone, factory reset your iPhone, you need another device. It can be iPhone, Android. So in my case, I have this iPhone right here. So if you have Android device, it doesn't matter which iPhone you have or device you have. So we are going to use this iPhone to factory reset this iPhone, right? So we have the passcode on this device, but we don't know the passcode and we have to reset this iPhone, right? So I'm going to use this iPhone to reset this iPhone passcode, to reset this iPhone factory default. Now what you're gonna do, simply on the other device, you have to click on Safari browser and then simply search for iCloud.com. So you have to go to this website iCloud.com. So once you are here, as you can see, I have logged in my Apple ID. So once you are on the iCloud.com, you will get the sign in option. You have to sign in your Apple ID, the same Apple ID that you were using on this iPhone, right? So as you can see, this is my same Apple ID that is logged in on this iPhone. So once you're logged in with the same Apple ID on the iCloud website, you have to click on menu here and click on find my iPhone app, right? And just wait for a few seconds, then enter the password to confirm. Now guys, on the next page, you will get your devices. As you can see, here are my devices. Now I'm going to select the device that I want to factory reset. So as you can see, so I'm going to play sound to make sure that I have selected the right device. So here we go, we have the alert here. So to reset factory default your iPhone, you have to click on erase iPhone, right? Then simply click on continue. Then you have to enter your Apple ID password to confirm that you want to factory reset this iPhone. So once you've done this, you have to simply click on next and click on done, and erase will start. As you can see, click on OK and just wait. So look on this iPhone will start automatic factory reset. Here we go. Now what you're gonna do, simply you can remove from account, click on it, so you don't have to enter the Apple ID to do the setup. Enter your Apple ID password and click on remove device. So now you don't need this device. Now we have to wait until the factory reset is completed on this iPhone. So once it's done, you will get this iPhone lock toner. Simply just swipe up, select the language, select your country, and then you have to click on setup manually. Click on continue, and on the next page you have to connect your iPhone with the Wi-Fi network to do the setup. So now let me just connect my Wi-Fi and click on join. Then click on continue, click on setup later, click on passcode options, click on don't use passcode, then click on don't transfer app and data, then click on setup later in setting, click on don't use, and then simply click on agree, continue. So here we go guys. Now as you can see, the iPhone has been factory default reset without PC or passcode. Hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.